Welcome to Curious Mondo, where you learn new things all the time. And I am really excited to teach you a class on food storage. We are going to teach you how to prepare food from your food storage. We're going to teach you how to buy things in bulk, how to make beef jerky, how to ferment different things. I mean, we're going to give you a whole genre of things for you to learn to do your food storage. You want to be able to make sure that you have enough food to take care of your family in case of an earthquake or, power outages. There's so many different things, even loss of your job. So you want to make sure that you know the proper ways to have your food storage ready for that time when there's like things that are going all wrong and you don't have any money to buy food or you can't get to the store. You want to make sure that you have all the knowledge you can possibly get to make sure your family's taken care of and your friends too. So join us on Curious Mondo. I'd love to see you there.